master, teachers, our parents, students. Good morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning.
My name is Uwineza Zanji. I study at CS Ndoranyi in primary 6E. I am a chairperson of this debate. Emotional teacher is better than doctor. I would like to pay more attention. Let us to show you proposal sign. Let us show opposite side. Let us invite first speaker of proposal side. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairperson Timekeeper plus audience. Good morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning.
My name is Tim Fredian. I study at CS Ndoranyi in primary 6A. I am a proposer side. I am going to propose teacher is better than doctor. Yes, teacher is better than doctor because teacher shape the future of the country in the following way. Teacher teaches doctor and works like a minister, etc. I have a question. Who was the teacher's doctor or president? In Kinyarwanda, Ninda wigishije perezida cyangwa minisitiri? Ni teacher. Thank you.
Thank you, Chairperson. Good morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning.
My name is Tiring Toete. I study at CS Ndoranyi in primary 6A. I'm here to oppose side. Teacher is not better than doctor. Yes, teacher is not better than doctor in the following way. Doctor is only one who saved the life of many people. I have the question. Who treats the sick people in Kinyarwanda? Ninde uvura abantu bagwaye? Doctor, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chairperson, Secretary plus audience. Good morning, everyone.
Yes, good morning.
My name is Irakoze Platini. I study at CS Ndoranyi in primary 6A. I am going to propose that teacher is better than doctor. Yes, because teacher is better than doctor because the teacher can prevent problem of your mind. Idea, teacher skills, education, and use. Example, teacher can teach me to prevent disease of your health. Thank you.
Yes, good morning.
My name is Ndasenga Broka. I study at CS Ndoranyi. I'm here to propose nation. Teacher is not better than doctor. Yes, because doctor is the only one who has the ability to save beef, mother and children during beef. I have a question. Can education help mother at the beef moment in Kinyarwanda? Iyo nyina n'umwana bari mu kaga bahamagara teacher cyangwa muganga? secretary and transporting. Good morning to everyone. My name is Nyomufasha Maisha. I am studying at CS Primary 6A. I am a personal. I am a proposed emotional teacher is better than doctor. Teacher is better than doctor, yes. Because teacher teach discipline, good behavior, and honest. I have a question. What is a value of a skilled doctor without good morals? In Kinyarwanda, ni gute umuntu yaba umuganga nta myitwarire myiza afite, nta discipline, atari n'inyangamugayo? Thank you, personal timekeeper, secretary, transporting. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Zasenga Garcia. I'm here to emphasize emotional teacher is not better than a doctor. Through these things come before education. Idea. No one who can run without being held. I have a question. If students are too sick and the teacher are sick, how education can happen? In Kinyarwanda, umwarimu yarwaye n'abanyeshuri barwaye, ni gute bakwiga?